Over the next 2 days, your mission is to build a raft. You'll have a very difficult mission: to repair the abandoned dune buggy, to repair and construct the abandoned A-frame cabin. Got a giant crate full of tools. Don't know what I'm doing. I barely swung a hammer before this. Probably gonna hurt myself. Door time! I don't think I go crazy.
To me, maybe I just don't know this. Yeah, it's really getting to me.
Get me out of here! Can you back up? Back up. Back up. Oh my God, he's eating my trail mix. Can't eat any of that now, it's contaminated. It's a coyote. That's not promising. It's a bear!